Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about a common question that I hear a lot this time of year. Here it is. Can you enjoy all your favorite holiday treats and still reach your health and fitness goals? Before I give you the answer, if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. I usually have 3 to 4 videos a week and you don't want to miss any of them. Also, if you're not new here, but for some reason you still haven't subscribed, just go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay, so here is the million-dollar question. Do you have to skip all your favorite holiday cookies and decadent meals that have been part of your traditional holiday ever since you can remember, just to stay on track? And the real answer is, and this is often the case with a lot of nutrition and fitness questions, it depends. I'm going to describe 2 different scenarios for you. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you can relate to these. Scenario number 1, if you know that eating those cookies that are made from a secret family recipe are going to send you down a rabbit hole of binge eating all kinds of things you shouldn't be, then maybe the answer to that question is no, at least for today. The answer isn't that simple though, and I'm going to get into that in a second because it's such a big issue. Now, scenario number 2. If you can eat that cookie, savor every bite of it, and then be done and not feel guilty or like you failed later on, by all means, have the cookie and enjoy it. In fact, I highly suggest planning for treats that are worth enjoying and that you don't feel obligated to sample things that you probably shouldn't have or maybe even don't actually want. They'll just leave you feeling bad later, and you don't want that. So now let's go back to the first scenario. What if you're in that large percentage of people who find it hard to stop snacking once they've started, especially if you've been doing good lately? Several things can actually be at play here. Have you ever heard of all or nothing thinking? Like you are either all in or you're not on it at all? It's called dichotomous thinking. Basically, it means there's no middle ground. This can include thinking about foods as being good or bad, depending upon whether they have a lot of calories, sugar, fat, or carbs. You might even think you're being good or being bad, depending upon your food choices. This is super common, so don't get worried. The kicker to this, at least in the short term, is that this mindset can actually help you meet your goals because it means you're focused on doing things that will help you. But in the long run, this is really a trap because it actually works against you and makes it hard to maintain your results simply because it's not sustainable. It makes any celebration that involves food or drink a minefield because when you actually do eat something that doesn't fall into the good category, you can end up beating yourself up mentally about it. Or you can also end up going wild and eating all kinds of things in your bad category. It's pretty common to think, darn it, I've messed up. I'm just going to eat everything that I feel like it, whether it's good or bad. I can just start all over again on Monday. Or how about this one? I'll just start over again in the new year. An approach that you can maintain for a lifetime includes moderation. That way, eating a cookie doesn't become a super big deal. And you don't skip a beat because the next time you eat, you know it will be healthy. The most important thing to remember is that results come from consistency. All the things you do day in and day out, not the occasional indulgences. So if you're used to the all or nothing approach, letting that mindset go can take some time. And it might even feel a little bit scary at first. What if instead you focused on creating small, sustainable habits that actually help you feel better mentally and physically? This can really make a huge difference. It could mean coming up with a few healthy snack options that you enjoy, that you can rotate through over the week, or finding breakfast ideas that keep you feeling full until lunchtime. If you need more tips and motivation, I've got lots of free resources that can help you out. Just go to aimeericca.com/freebies. There's also a link in the description down below. I've also got my new 10-day mind and body detox and my 28-day transformation program. That's at aimeericca.com/programs. And you can get them together for a special price right now. I hope this gives you some motivation to stay on course with your health and nutrition over the holidays. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like. And if you know someone else that can benefit from it, be sure to share it with them and also with your friends on social media too. And remember to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. This is Aimée wishing you a very happy and healthy holiday season. I will see you real soon. Bye.